So questions have been asked about how to find out the SERP position or search engine results page position for any given keyword properly, sort of accurately. Well, there's a few problems with this, and this is because Google applies personalization to a lot of the queries. So as an example, if you're checking in Firefox, Chrome or Safari, your browser history within Google and where you've signed in with Google and what you've searched for in the past will affect the positions. Now you can use something like incognito mode, as Colin Davis has mentioned, to sort of remove that personalization. You can add a depersonalization query on the end of the search result. And these are all good methods. Another method that W.E. Junk mentions using the Google Webmaster Tools. But I'm not sure how many keywords you're looking to check, but I'm going to go through a few other methods and the one I personally use myself. So another method you can use is by using a free sort of proxy service, but this will also obviously depend where the proxy is, but it can work quite well. So as an example, you go on google.com and you'd search, after you go on here, click on hide my ass, and then you'd search for Xbox or something. So that way it can work as well. What I personally do, because I have hundreds of keywords to check for, is I use the pro version of Hide My Ass. And no, I don't work for Hide My Ass, and I'm not going to put an affiliate link or any links to them at all. But you can get that, and I pay yearly, and it's like $70 or, I don't know, is that £40 or whatever it is. And I use that in conjunction with a program called Rank Tracker, which, to be honest with you, although it works, and here's what it looks like, and here's what the pro version of Hide My Ass looks like. Although it works, and it's updated frequently, this company is not entirely honest about how much this costs. So I think it costs like $99 just to buy this. But then after 6 months, you either pay like another $40 or $5 a month or something to keep it working, which is really annoying, and I kind of felt personally really screwed. So if there's any other sort of rank tracking software out there that works in a similar way, and I'm sure there is, I think there's one called Advanced Web Tracker or Advanced Web Ranking, you can use these in conjunction. The way I do it is to make sure you've got accurate keywords, and even sometimes you might have clients in different time zones or locations. What I do is I use this Hide My Ass, and I select the places closest to me. So, for example, now it's Manchester. And then, for you, if you're in America or wherever else you are, there is literally loads of stuff you can select, and you can connect there. And then what you do is you select your IP address settings, and I set it to change every 4 minutes when this is active. So you change it into 4 minutes, and you click apply. And then you can also bind applications so they only work through this VPN, which sort of encrypts what you're looking at, so you don't get sort of busted by Google for keeping on looking at rankings, and they should be as accurate as possible. But obviously everyone's ranks going to differ depending on what they've done on personalization options and everything like that. So in reality, now I guess there's no real official search engine results positions ever, I guess. I don't know. Do you disagree with me? I don't know. Also, one more thing I forgot to mention is you can use that VPN on its own and then use the incognito mode as well, or private mode in Firefox. Personally, I probably use the one in Firefox and the other ones in Safari and whatever what you're doing, just because I'm still not entirely sure if with Chrome anyway it removed personalization totally. Anyway, if you like this video, thought it was informative or whatever, please like this video, leave a comment, and thank you.